Welcome back, guys. We are diving on Xcn coin. So we took the successful uh, downtrend lines, which we broke out, and also we need to stay above a certain. I will go to tell you what type of the price. So remember, these are very bullish pattern, guys, and immediately I will go to show you what's already set us. So we have already buying signals. Yeah, so this is telling you we have some pounds, and how much will be our next what's our target, and how many percentage. So if you miss buying from this area 0.041, so we have like 100% since that stock bounces from this area. So we have a very bullish candle here, and we have something like this one here. It tell you it was time to come in, and if you have been following the same those kind of the reversal on a weekly candle, so you see, if you saw on that week here, the only thing you have been waiting, we are waiting that buying confirmation, and it's already, it consolidated like around between this area, consolidated a month, and you see now the last week, even this week, we have not finished this week, we have already around this one. So I'll go to show you the support and the resistance. So we are right now on the support, and let's go on a daily. So I'll go to show you on a daily, and I'll tell you don't sleep on this coin. Okay, so like right now here, you see we have on that support on daily support. So, and when you see on down here, obviously we are on a path zero, which is very bullish, and we have also something here. We need to watch this kind of reversal. If that reversal, guys, we tell you we need to be around 0.007 as a support where we broke out. So are we going to buy right now? Probably yes. Yeah, so yeah, probably it's time. If you love the stock or a coin, if you love the coin, you need, it's very important time. And when you break time like 4 hours just again, we see this one. Sometimes you wait on pine signal on 4 hour charts. So the guy, if you are looking for re-entry, so Xn is the time for re-entry. So when you use this small time frame like this one, every time it's telling you since January 7, the stock has been consolidating all the way on the support, and I'm going to play some video here right now, and let me know. So this is the prediction, guys. I'm going to play this one, and I will go to mark.
As of January 2026, Onyx Coin, XCN, is experiencing a period of high volatility and renewed market interest. After a significant surge in early January, current predictions for 2026 are split between short-term pullbacks and long-term recovery. Current price context, January 2026. XCN recently saw a massive 119% weekly surge, reaching a peak of approximately 0.0128 before settling back towards 0.009 minus $0.0095. This rally was largely driven by its late 2025 listing on Robinhood and anticipation of the Goliath mainnet upgrade. Price predictions for 2026. Different analysis platforms provide a range of targets based on technical indicators and ecosystem growth. Source: low estimate, high estimate. Outlook: Xcn/Coin DCX, $0.0109, $0.0226. Bullish on tech upgrades. MEXC/Kraken, $0.0044, $0.0095. Conservative/steady growth. Cryptomus, $0.0300, $0.0690. Highly optimistic, 3 commas, $0.0089, $0.0097. Neutral/consolidation, Key market drivers and risks. Goliath upgrade and AI. The transition to the Goliath ecosystem and the integration of an AI agent for automated portfolio management are the primary fundamental catalysts for 2026. The Robinhood effect. Improved retail accessibility has increased liquidity, but also led to heightened volatility in speculative trading. Technical resistance. Analysts note heavy resistance at the 0.010-0.012 range. If XCN fails to hold support at $0.0085, it may retrace further. Market sentiment. While spot buying is up, derivatives data shows negative funding rates, suggesting many traders are still hedging against a potential drop after the recent rally. Long-term outlook, 2027 to 2030. If adoption of the Onyx protocol for enterprise DeFi continues, long-term targets become more aggressive. 2027. Predictions range from 0.023 to 0.048. 2030. Some models suggest a gradual climb towards 0.08 minus 0.12, provided the project maintains its development roadmap. Important. Cryptocurrency investments are highly speculative. XCN remains more than 90% below its 2022 all-time high of approximately 17 cents, and its history shows a pattern of strong Q1 gains followed by extended downturns. Would you like me to look into the specific details of the Goliath mainnet upgrade or the new Onyx AI agent features?
So guys, let's look about these types of AI on these coins. Listen it. So okay, let me try again. So
the Onyx AI agent is a centerpiece of the 2026 Onyx protocol roadmap, designed to bridge the gap between complex DeFi operations and everyday user interaction. It is being rolled out alongside the Goliath Layer 1 mainnet upgrade to provide an intelligent layer for managing digital assets. Core capabilities. The agent is more than just a chatbot. It is an action agent capable of executing on-chain tasks based on natural language commands. DeFi intent classification. Instead of manually interacting with smart contracts, you can tell the agent, rebalance my portfolio to 50% XCN and 50% ETH, and it will identify the necessary swaps and liquidity moves. Voice-controlled interface, a mobile-first feature allowing you to check balances, track market movements, or initiate transfers using voice commands. Automated portfolio management. The agent monitors market conditions and can be programmed to trigger automated responses, such as moving assets to stablecoins during high volatility or harvesting staking rewards. Enterprise Search and RAG, leveraging Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, the agent can scan thousands of pages of financial documentation or on-chain data to provide real-time insights into protocol health or market trends. Technical integration with Goliath. The AI agent is tightly integrated with the new Goliath L1 blockchain, which launched its mainnet in early 2026. Speed. Because Goliath targets approximately 100,000 transactions per second, rivaling Visa, the AI agent can execute complex multi-step transactions, like laddered buy orders, with near-instant finality. Gas-free experience. In conjunction with the Onyx wallet, the AI agent can utilize gas-free relayers for certain transactions, making it easier for non-technical users to enter the ecosystem. Compliance. The agent includes built-in compliance checks related to the U.S. Clarity Act to ensure that institutional users can automate their movements while staying within regulatory bounds. Token utility, $XCN. The Onyx AI agent creates new demand sinks for the XCN token. 1. Usage fees. While basic queries may be free, advanced action commands, like automated trading bots, typically require XCN for gas or service fees. 2. Staking access. Premium AI features, such as deeper research tools and higher frequency automated trading, are often gated behind XCN staking tiers. 3. Governance. The Onyx DAO, XCN holders, votes on which AI models, e.g., GPT-4, Claude, or proprietary models, the agent should prioritize for its backend. Current status, Q1 2026. The AI integration is currently in its phased rollout. While the basic chat and research functions are live, the full autonomy mode, where the agent can move funds without individual transaction approvals, is currently in a guarded beta to ensure security and prevent AI-driven errors. Would you like me to walk you through how to set up the Onyx wallet to use these AI features?
So guys, you see, it's very important. This is the one of the highest coin right now on X coin. So we have XAN. We have this one. I'm watching this one listed on Robinhood. Let's go XBL prediction, and you can see, and I will call to see also even on chat on Plasma. So this is the new coin listed, and I see it has highest. You can do code also, and let's code.
As of January 2026, Plasma, XPL, is at a critical crossroads. After a volatile 2025 that saw the token drop nearly 85% from its debut, it is currently trading around 0.17 minus 0.19, showing signs of a potential relief rally. XPL price predictions for 2026. The outlook for XPL this year is a tug of war between fundamental adoption and heavy token supply pressure. Time frame. Low estimate. High estimate. Market sentiment. Q1 2026. 14 cents. 25 cents. Bullish. Staking launch and Bitcoin bridge hype. Q2 2026. 18 cents. 32 cents. Neutral. Consolidation ahead of major unlocks. Q3 2026. 9 cents. 16 cents. Bearish. Massive token unlock. July 2026. Q4 2026. 22 cents. 50 cents. Bullish. Institutional recovery and MiCA compliance. The two biggest factors for 2026. 1. The supply shock. The July cliff. The most significant risk factor for XPL is the July 28, 2026 unlock event. Roughly 2.5 billion XPL tokens, approx 25% of total supply, for the team and early investors will hit the market after a one-year cliff. Historical data suggests this could lead to a temporary price dip as early holders take profits. 2. Real-world utility. The payment rail. Plasma's value is tied to its specialized role as a stablecoin-optimized Layer 1. Zero-fee USDT. Plasma's ability to move USDT with zero gas fees is its main competitive edge against Tron and Solana. Staking launch, Q1 2026. The activation of proof-of-stake rewards, estimated at 5% APR, is expected to lock up supply and provide price support in the short term. Long-term outlook, 2027 to 2030. If Plasma survives the 2026 supply dilution and succeeds in becoming a primary rail for EU and US regulated payments. 2027. Targets range from 55 cents to 80 cents. 2030. Some optimistic models, Xcn and MEXC, project a climb toward $5 plus, assuming it captures a significant share of the global remittance market. XPL is currently categorized as a high-risk asset due to its recent 85% collapse and the looming supply inflation. Technical indicators show a neutral bullish sentiment right now, but a failure to hold support at 15 cents could lead to new all-time lows. Would you like me to analyze the specific...
So guys, when you see these types of the chart that I've already showed right now, Xcn is a brand new coins. It has up and down, and they've already shown you like Q2, which is after May. We may see a lot of volatile on crypto, because let's go on the chart right now on Plasma XPL, because these are the two Xcn coins which they have already listed on Robinhood, and it might have some 1, 2, 3 up and down like any other coins. We just, whenever they list it, they will crash something like 99% before have recovery. So let's go to XPL, and so we are going to straight here, and straight away to the weekly. So you see this, we have a reversal candles here, or a reversal chart indicators telling you it's time to buy. Okay, this is the XL, and maybe it's going to visit this area before unlock. Bye guys, subscribe, like, and see you later.